Author and Illustrator. It means I both write all the words and I draw all of the pictures. And just by looking at the cover of this book, what do you think this story is about? So we have a little bird, and he's yelling something we can't quite read. And what is this underneath him? Is that a bigger bird? A bigger bird. And how does he look about what he's yelling? Is he happy about that? Yeah. Maybe a little shocked?
Happy?
No. Yeah. So, Little Bird's Bad Word by Jacob Grant. You'll see what their story is. And before we begin, this is important. This book is dedicated to my dad, from whom I learned many words.
Most of them good.
Yeah, most are good. Little Bird and his papa were soaring high over the treetops. Lunch is extra wriggly today, said Papa. You can see they're flying along there, and they're carrying their lunch with them. And everything seems to be going pretty great. Until Papa drops the worm. He drops the worm and he shouts out, "Blark!" Oh, that's a funny word, isn't it? And Little Bird looks interested in this, doesn't he? Interested in this word. "Blark, blark, blark," says the little bird. "No, no, no," said Papa. "That's not a word for little birds." And Little Bird was always happy to learn a new word. A word for big birds. I can't wait to start using it. Little Bird knew his friends would love the new word. And so we see Papa Bird is flying off to go find lunch. And Little Bird has his own idea. So he goes to his friend Frog and he shouts, "Blark!" at his friend the Frog. Do you think Frog liked this word?
No.
Frog was startled. Oh, and I want to point out, down in this corner here, what does that look like?
See?
Maybe a worm? And I don't think Little Bird sees it though. He's trying the word out, so he goes to his friend Moose. And he says, "Blark?" to the moose. And what do you think? Did Moose like this word? Moose was speechless. Oh, and what's that down there? That definitely looks like a worm. But Little Bird, I don't think he sees it. Not yet. And so, Little Bird's still trying this word out. He goes to his friend Fish, and he shouts underwater, "Blark!" And then he goes to his friend Ladybug, and he says, "Blark!" to the ladybug. And do you think they liked it? Oh, Fish and Ladybug, they were not amused. They were... And then, finally, he goes to his friend Turtle. He's gonna go for it. He's trying it out. And he shouts as loud as he can, "Blark!" And Little Bird's friend Turtle, what do you think?
He wanted in its shell.
Oh, he hides in his shell. He did not like this word. And Little Bird's all alone, and he says "Blark" quietly to himself.
No, he looks sad.
And Little Bird didn't know what to do. "This is bad," he said. "Could this new word be bad? I've been using a bad word?" And he hadn't flown far when he heard Papa's voice. And so we see Little Bird has flown up here, and he sees Papa Bird talking to all the other animals. And Papa says, "Little Bird means well. He's learning that words can be hurtful. I'm sorry, everyone. Very sorry." And that was all Little Bird needed to hear. He knew just the word to make things right. Can you guess what that word is? "Sorry!" he shouts as he flies past all the animals. He flies past Papa and the fish and Ladybug, Frog and Moose. And even turtle there. You might even be able to see there's a little worm there behind the turtle, but I don't think little bird sees that. But he flies over to turtle and he says, sorry, to the turtle. And turtle liked this word much better. And who's that there? Do you see that? The worm is there. And little bird and turtle are friends again. And finally, little bird sees. Yes, there's the worm. He sees him. And then there are Papa Bird and Little Bird flying off with their lunch. And the worm looks at us and he says, Blark. The end. The end. Yes. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. So,